I know you must have been seeing very long videos like this on YouTube. This channel, their videos are nothing less than 1 hour to 2 hours. Crazy, right? Now, someone asked me some time ago, who is even going to have the time to watch all these kind of long videos? So I'm just going to answer that question with this channel. So I'm just going to go over to their most popular videos so we can see if people actually watches this kind of videos. So I'll just head over to their most popular videos. And as you can see, this particular video here has made 1.1 million views in 6 months. How cool is this? This one has made 684k views in 6 months too. This one has made 586k views in 6 months. Now we can see that people actually watches this kind of videos. Now another thing we can learn from this channel is that this channel is a completely faceless channel. And we know for sure that they create this kind of videos using the help of AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, or whatever they use. Now in your case, you want to recreate this kind of video and you end up with a 10 minutes video or even a shorter video. Of course, not you, ChatGPT. If you have experienced something like this before, let me know in the comment section. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to generate exactly this kind of long videos. If you want to generate up to 4 hours, 5 hours or more, I'm going to show you in this video how you are going to generate it. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please come close and let's dive in. It's not a secret that longer videos tend to do better on YouTube. This is how YouTube works. With longer videos, YouTube tends to place more ads on those videos and make more money. This is business. And if I was a businessman, I would definitely prioritize that which makes me more money. So if you're into the YouTube content creation business and you really want to treat it like a business, then you might want to consider creating very long videos like this.
We're going to head over to our browser and of course open ChatGPT like so. Says, hey, tech guy. Even ChatGPT knows. If you're using your phone, don't worry, the process is the same and you get the same results. So just stick with me till the end of the video. I have a faceless YouTube channel on philosophy and stoicism. So I'm going to create a video script for my video. If you have faceless channel in other niches like African folktale, horror stories, motivation, it's still the same. First, I'm going to give ChatGPT a basic prompt, asking it to generate a long script for me, and you will see how it will generate a short script in contrast to what I asked. I've put together a series of prompts for this tutorial, so I'm just going to head over to my prompt and copy the first prompt like so, and head back to ChatGPT and paste it. Now you can see where I put title in this bracket. All you have to do is just to edit that and put the title you want it to generate a video for. So I'm just going to put how to deal with gaslighting the stoic way. So I'm just going to hit send and let the AI do its own part.
A few moments later.
And now it has finished generating our script. Just by looking at it, you can tell that this is not up to 30 minutes, but we are still going to confirm anyway. Let's just copy the whole script like so and head over to wordscounter.net. Don't worry, I'm going to put this in the description and just paste the whole script here. As you can see, the script has 1,450 words. So next thing we're going to do is to head over to words2time.com and put the figure that we have in our script, which is 1450. So I'll just put 1450. As you can see, we have 11 minutes, 10 seconds script. Remember what we asked for is 30 minutes script. Now, this is not the end of the world. All we have to do is to tell ChatGPT that there is no limit to what it can achieve. So ChatGPT disappointed us all here. So just going to head back to ChatGPT and open a new chat. Head back to our resource pack and copy the second prompt we have here and go back to ChatGPT and paste it. Then edit this place I put title. I'm going to make this prompt library available in my Telegram channel, so you can just copy it and paste. I want everything to be very easy for you, and I recommend you use this my exact prompt for the best results. Find the link to my Telegram channel in the description and join for free so you can get your hands on this prompt library. Now I'm gonna read out our second prompt. The prompt says, "You are a professional YouTube video script writer. the best in the world. Generate a powerful video script on how to deal with gaslighting the stoic way. Start with a very strong hook to make sure my viewers don't click away. Divide the script into 5 continuous chapters. Very, very important. Each chapter should continue from where the last one stopped. The viewer should not notice that it's in chapters. Therefore, you are not to mention the word chapter or parts in the script. Each chapter must not be less than 1,200 words for any reason. Remove all the fluffs and give me just the pure voiceover. And remember, no chapter must be less than 1,200 words. We have to remind it again. This AI can be stupid sometimes. So we're just going to click on generate.
A few moments later.
And as you can see, chapter 1 is ready. And the best part is, none of our viewers we know is in chapters. Only us and maybe ChatGPT. But I'm sure ChatGPT doesn't kiss and tell. Now, if you look at this closely, you see that it's saying that it generated 1,200 plus words like we instructed. But this is AI. This thing is definitely not going to be up to 1,200 words. So let's confirm. Look at the calculation here. Because I am targeting 30 minutes video, that's why I asked it to give me 5 chapters of 1,200 words for each chapter. Now, even if it didn't get up to 1,002, I'm sure that it will get up to at least 900 or 800 thereabout. Now, if I'm able to get up to 800 words each chapter for the 5 chapters, I'll definitely get my 30 minutes video. So let's confirm for this one. Let's just copy the chapter 1. Let's confirm how many words here. So I'll just copy it, go over to word counter, edit this and just paste it. Okay, now you see that we have 1,106 words. Let's check in 1,106 words. So we have an 8 minutes video here. If we can get an 8 minutes script for the remaining 4 chapters, you will see that we will get our 30 minutes video. So if you look here, you see what it says here. It says, when you are ready, say next and I'll deliver chapter 2. So all I have to do is just to type next here and send.
A few moments later.
You can see that our chapter 2 is ready. So I'll just go ahead and generate the remaining chapters.
Many hours later.
And now we have all our five chapters ready. Take your time and go through all of them and see if you have something you need to change or anything you need to add. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to copy all of them chapter by chapter and paste them in our word counter so that let's see if we achieve our target.
A few moments later.
I've pasted all the chapters here in our word counter, as you can see. So let's just scroll and see how many words we have here. And here you can see that we have 6,287 words in our script. So we're just going to head over to words to time and see if we achieved our purpose of 30 minutes video. 6,287. 6,287. And voila! As you can see, we even exceeded our purpose. So we have a 48 minutes and 22 seconds video. So it means that we actually achieved what we are looking for. Now, the only problem with this is that this is overly too long to generate the voiceover for this script. If you want to generate this voiceover right now, you have to do it part by part, and that can be very boring. But what if I told you that there is a way you can generate all of them at a go, and in a few minutes, your voice will be ready with just one click? If you want me to make a video about that, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a comprehensive video about that just for you. Like this video if you find it helpful, so that more people like you can see this video and benefit from it. It's also a way for you to tell me that you like the kind of videos that I do and encourage me to do more. Subscribe to this channel if it's your first time of being here, and turn on the post notification so that when I drop new tutorials, you will be the first to know. And I'll see you on the next one.